Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this lily leaf. For this you need yarn, wire cutter, scissor and also don't forget your crochet hook. Here I am showing you some leaf that I will make in this video. To make this, first you need to make a slip knot. Like that. And then make 25 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that you need to complete all your 25 chain. Here I make 25 chain and now from the first chain I will make a single crochet. And in the second chain I will make one half double crochet. And I am done with this, and from here I will make 17 double crochet like that. And from here I will make 2 half double crochet and 2 single crochet like that. And I am done with this, and in the very last chain I will do another single crochet. Sorry, I am struggling here. Very serious. Sorry for that. Okay. And I make 2 chain here and go through the last single crochet and make a slip stitch. And in the last chain I make another single crochet. For working in the another side, I will make 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet. Okay, I am complete 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, and I will make another 17 double crochet. And I am done with 17 double crochet, and I make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now I will take a wire like that size and fix under the leaf that I crocheted and make all single crochet from here. Like that, I will make all single crochet around the leaf until I reach in the end. This single crochet lock the wire neatly so you don't feel anything like wire, and it also enhances these leaves and make this more beautiful. It's look like very difficult, but it's not that difficult that you think. If you practice it around 5 and 6 times, you will definitely become more good at this. Beautifully make this. I complete one side and I am now working on the another side. For another side, I will make same stitch, same single crochet. Now I am almost complete all the single crochet around the leaf. And now one more time I will repeat the same process around the leaf. Like that. Okay, and from here to here make all the single crochet. Now I make all the single crochet that's I am telling to you. At the end I will cut it like that. And secure the yarn into this wire. And now I complete this leaf.